Minimizing is always better than organizing. Now, organizing has benefit for sure, but the problem is that organizing is always only a temporary solution. We organize today only to have to organize our stuff again tomorrow. Courtney Carver at BeMoreWithLess.com asks it this way: don't you think if organizing worked, you would be finished by now? Minimizing is always better than organizing, because organizing is always a temporary solution. Now, it's good, it's important, it's beneficial. The problem is it never ends. We organize one thing today only to have to organize it again tomorrow. Minimizing, on the other hand, is an act of permanence. Once we remove an item from our home and lives, it is gone forever, and we never have to deal with it again. It lays the groundwork for life change. It lays the groundwork for overcoming consumerism. It brings intentionality into our lives. Minimizing is always better than organizing. So when we talk about decluttering a room and the questions we need to ask, let's remember that the goal is always to remove as many things from our home and life that we don't need as possible. With that then, here are two questions that you can ask to minimize any room. Number one, you ask the question, do I need this? With every single physical object in the space, ask the question, do I need this? Grab each item, hold each item, and ask that specific question. Don't just scan the room, but physically touch each item. Now, our needs are actually pretty slim: clothes and food and water. So maybe a better question to be asking is not just, do I need this for survival, but the question is, do I need this in order to fulfill my purpose? Do I need this item to reach my fullest potential? Do I need this item to become the person I want to be? Ask that question and begin to use it to narrow down the possessions that you're holding on to. But there's a second question that I want to offer you. Most likely you will hold on to some things that are not necessarily needed. But the next question to ask is this: why do I have it? Why do I have this item? If I'm going to keep it, why am I going to keep it? One of the things that I discovered as I began minimizing my home and rooms, I got to my closet, for example, and I saw all these clothes that I didn't wear, all these fashions and styles that I would never wear again. And it dawned on me, I only bought them because advertisers told me to, maybe they were on sale, maybe that was the fashion of the time. I didn't buy them because I needed them or even wanted to have them. I bought them for some ulterior reason instead. You can look around your home and you can see all sorts of objects and purchases. The decorations, do they really mean anything to you? Are they meaningful? Were they on sale at Michael's? Did they match the color of the couch? Why do I have this? This can be applied to so many different things and so many different objects in our home. And so I think the two most important questions to ask ourselves as we declutter any room: do I need this in order to reach my fullest potential? And why do I have it in the first place? That'll get you a long ways to minimizing, owning less, and living more.